Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adabar, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is your ICSE grade 10th and we are starting the chapter coordinate geometry. Right? So in this class, we'll be discussing about the topic reflections. Okay, so let us start the class now. So first thing, basics of the coordinate geometry. So it is used to locate the position of the point in a plane, right? Plane means a surface. So suppose if I will draw the graph in this my laptop screen, or you will be seeing it in the mobile screen or laptop screen, so that screen will be your plane. So that plane is called Cartesian plane, in which we have two axes mutually perpendicular, two lines, so they are called x and y axis. The vertical one is called y axis and the horizontal one is called x axis, right? Correct. Now this is how the Cartesian plane will look like. X-axis, y-axis, this is the negative x-axis. Because of all these negative numbers, this is negative y-axis. This point at the middle is called origin. So origin is the intersection point of both the x and y axis, and it is represented as 0, 0. Right? We already know that a point's coordinate will be written in the form of x, y. Right? A point's coordinate will be written in the form of x, y. So first we will write the x coordinate, then we will write the y coordinate. So x coordinate is also known as abscissa, and x coordinate by definition is the distance of a point from y axis, and y coordinate by definition is the distance of a point from x axis. For example, here this point A, its distance from x axis will be the y coordinate, and its distance from y axis will be the x coordinate. But generally what we'll do, we'll drop, the shortcut method is we'll drop the perpendicular on both the axes. Wherever the perpendicular intersect the x axis will be the x coordinate, wherever it intersect the y axis will be your y coordinate. So this distance point is only for the definition purpose, that the distance of a point from x axis is y coordinate, from y axis is x coordinate. So this is only for definition. Otherwise, whenever we are plotting the points, just drop the perpendicular from both the parts, you will get the coordinates. Okay? So origin coordinate is 0, 0. Now if a point is lying on x axis, its coordinate will be x, 0. X coordinate will be anywhere on the x axis, y coordinate will be 0. And if a point is lying on y axis, so its y coordinate can be anything, x coordinate will be 0. So if a point is in the form of x, 0, when y coordinate is 0, the point is on x axis. When x coordinate is 0, the point is on y axis, right? Which you have already studied. ठीक है, अब let's talk about the reflection. अब reflection क्या होता है बेटा? Reflection same analogy as we do the reflection in a plane mirror, है ना? In a plane mirror, what happens? Suppose if I have a plane mirror over here. When we talk about the reflection in a plane mirror, let's say a point is here and it is a distance of 5 meters from the mirror. It is at a distance of 5 meters from the mirror. So its image also will be in the same line at a distance of 5 meters. So this will be the image. So if my point is A, its image will be A dash. Got it? So this is the called the reflection. So the image is exactly at the same perpendicular distance from the mirror where the object is. Whatever is the distance between the mirror and the object, the perpendicular distance between the mirror and the object, same will be the distance between the image and the mirror. Got it? So we have three cases. One is the reflection along x-axis, one is the reflection along y-axis, one is the reflection along origin. So when I talk about the reflection along x-axis, in that case we will be treating the x-axis as your mirror, and when it is the reflection along y-axis, we will take y-axis as our mirror, and when it is the reflection along origin, so this origin we will take it as the point mirror, है ना? So whatever is the distance of the point from the mirror, same thing will be the distance of the object. So we'll discuss all these points in detail. ठीक है, तो first देखते हैं बेटा reflection in the line y equal to 0, that is x-axis. So y equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis, because on x-axis the y coordinate is always 0. So remember the equation of x-axis is what? Y equal to 0. थोड़ा opposite होता है. So that means my x-axis will be the mirror. My x-axis will be the mirror. Okay, so suppose if I choose a point A over here. Point A is over here whose coordinates is A comma B. X coordinate or X comma Y. So let us take it as X comma Y. And a point A is here whose coordinates are X comma Y. X is the X coordinate, Y is your Y coordinate. So if I'm doing the reflection along the mirror, if I'm doing the reflection along the mirror yahan pe. Okay, if I'm doing the reflection along the mirror, so first find out the distance of this point A from the mirror, and at the same distance in the same line you will get the reflection, that will be A dash. Right, so you can clearly see beta when I'm doing the reflection along x-axis, when I'm doing the reflection along x-axis or y equal to 0, you can clearly see the x coordinate is not changing for the image. X coordinate is not changing. Now if this distance was y, which was the y coordinate, this distance will be in the negative y axis, so it will be minus y, so y coordinate will change its sign. So whenever we do a reflection along x-axis, remember x coordinate remains same, y coordinate will change the sign. So if y, suppose if I take a point over here, है ना, let's say point B I have taken over here, so its image, suppose if it is, let us say A comma B, x coordinate is A, y coordinate B, so its image will be up, है ना. So don't think कि sir ये reflecting surface, which is the reflecting surface, the whole x-axis is the reflecting surface. Okay, so this time this is my image, this is my object B, image will be at B dash. So again x coordinate has remained same, this B will become minus B. So if this is in the third quadrant, this y coordinate is negative, its value will automatically become positive, है ना. Example लेता हूँ बेटा, for example से let's solve it. So let us say we have the coordinate of this point B as let us say minus 5 comma let's say minus 3. So the image x coordinate will remain same, but y coordinate will change from minus 3 to plus 3. So if the y coordinate is positive, it will become negative. If y coordinate is negative, it will become positive. X coordinate remains same when we are doing the reflection along x-axis. Similarly, if we are doing the reflection along y-axis, if we are doing the reflection along y-axis, let us say point over here, let's say x comma y, a point C is here whose coordinate are x comma y. So reflection along y-axis, so perpendicular, drop the perpendicular over here, and at the same distance you will get your image C dash. So in this case you will see that the y coordinate is same, the vertical position of the point is same, so y coordinate is same, only thing is x coordinate will change its sign. If it is negative, it will become positive. If it is positive, it will become negative. ठीक है? So don't go कि sir second quadrant में x is negative. I'm just giving any variable. So when we do the reflection along x-axis or y equal to 0, the x coordinate will remain same. Y coordinate will change the sign. And when we do the reflection along y-axis, y coordinate will remain same and x coordinate will change the sign, as you can clearly understand over here. Right? After that, reflection under the origin. So reflection under origin में बेटा क्या होता है कि suppose if I have this point over here and any point, suppose any point A over here we have whose coordinates are x comma y. Correct? So what you will do, since we are doing reflection under origin, so join this with the origin. Join this with the origin, and now the image will be in extend the line in the same direction. Extend this line with the same distance. Okay, so this will come here as A dash. Now you can clearly see same distance we have extended. So the x coordinate, whatever was x coordinate over here, that will become now minus x. And whatever was your y coordinate over here will become your minus y. So the image will become minus x comma minus y. So when we do the reflection under origin, both x and y axis will change its sign. Both x and y axis will change its sign. So this is what is the meaning of reflection under the origin. So reflection under x axis, y coordinate will change the sign. Reflection under y axis, x coordinate will change the sign. Reflection under origin, both the coordinates will change their sign. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. Okay, then invariant points. So what are invariant points? Invariant points are the points whose image, the coordinates of the image are exactly same as the coordinates of the object. Got it? So even after reflection, the coordinate does not change. Even after reflection, the coordinate does not change. So for example, if I'm talking about the reflection under x-axis, so any point you pick over here, its image will be somewhere over here. So point has changed. A to A dash it has become. If I take a point B over here, so B to B dash it will become. Right? So every time the coordinates of this object of the image will be changing, the y coordinate will change. But what if I take a point C on the x-axis itself? So if I take the point C on the x-axis itself, the image will be the same point. The image will be the same point, right? So I can say कि sir, under x-axis, any point on x-axis is invariant point. Invariant means its image coordinates are also same as the coordinates of the object, is invariant point in reflection under x-axis. When we are doing the reflection under x-axis, then the point on the x coordinate will be invariant. Similarly, if we are doing the reflection under y-axis, if we are doing the reflection under y-axis, so you will, if we are doing the reflection under y-axis, so you will see that all the points, their image coordinates will be different. Okay, for example, one point here C, so its image will be here C dash. One point over here, let's say D, so its image will be D dash, right? But what if I choose a point on the x-axis, or on the y-axis, let us say point P. So you can clearly see this point P's image will also be same. So similarly, as we have told that any point on x-axis is invariant point under reflection under x-axis, so same way any point on y-axis will be invariant if the reflection is under y-axis. And for origin, only origin. If we talk about the origin, then only origin. ठीक है? तो invariant point, if the reflection is under x-axis, will be all the points on x-axis. Invariant points under the reflection under y-axis will be all the points on y-axis, and invariant point under the reflection under origin will be origin only, no other points, because rest all the points we can get their image under origin. कहीं से भी connect कर सकते हो. Suppose if this point is here, its reflection under origin will be this point over here, है ना? So all the points will be reflected in origin except the origin itself. So reflection under origin में only origin is the invariant point. So they will say कि out of the reflection under x, y and origin, in which one the number of invariant points is only one, so that is reflection under origin. In reflection under x-axis and reflection under y-axis, there are infinite invariant points, because on x-axis there are infinite points, on y-axis there are also infinite points. So this is a very easy topic, got it? So let's look at some of the questions. So first question says, complete the following table point transformation event. So 5 comma minus 7 is becoming minus 5 comma 7. देखो ध्यान से, 5 comma minus 7 is becoming minus 5 comma 7. So you can see both the x coordinate is changing the sign, as well as y coordinate is changing the sign. So I know if a point is x comma y and it becomes minus x comma minus y, that means reflection under origin. Correct? Second में देखो बेटा, 4 comma 2, if I do the reflection under x-axis, when I do the reflection under x-axis, x coordinate remains same, y coordinate will change the sign, 4 comma minus 2. Third one, they are saying some point, if the reflection is under y-axis, it becomes 0 comma 6. अब देखो, when the reflection is under y-axis, we know x coordinate will change the sign and y coordinate will remain same. So y coordinate will remain 6 only. X coordinate 0 from minus 0 is 0 only. Negative of 0 is what? 0 again. So you can clearly see this 0 comma 6, it lies on y-axis. And if we do the reflection under x-axis, it will be an invariant point. So you can clearly see the coordinates of the image as well as the object are exactly same. ठीक है, option D, 6 comma minus 6 is becoming minus 6 comma 6. So again x coordinate is changing the sign, y coordinate is changing the sign, so it is reflection under origin. And the last one, 4 comma minus 8 is reflected as minus 4 comma minus 8. So y coordinate is same, x coordinate is changing the sign. So you can visualize it also. Y coordinate is same, x coordinate is 4, then it has become being minus 4. So that means I have done the reflection under y axis. So we have done the reflection under y axis. Got it? So if the reflection is under x axis, y coordinate will change the sign. If the reflection is under y axis, x coordinate will be changing the sign. Got it? So this is how you will get your answer. This is how you will get your answer. Next question देखो, state the coordinates of the following points under reflection in the line. So first one is saying x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means what? Y axis. So we are doing the reflection under y axis, and we know whenever we do the reflection under y axis, y coordinates remain same, x coordinate will change their sign. So minus 6 comma 4 will become, change this x coordinate, minus 6 will become 6 comma 4. 0 comma 5 invariant point, it is on the y axis, so it will remain 0 comma 5 only, and 3 comma minus 4 will become minus 3 comma minus 4. You can visualize them also, है ना? Minus 6 comma 4, minus 6 comma 4 is in the second quadrant, so its image will be in which part? Along x axis will be in the first quadrant, so minus 6 will become plus 6. 0 comma 5 is on the y axis, same point. 3 comma minus 4, x coordinate 3, y coordinate minus 4, fourth axis, fourth quadrant, so image will be in the third quadrant, so minus 3 comma minus 4. Everything will satisfy. Okay, second point देखो, y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means what? X axis. Here you might make mistake, you will think y equal to 0 means y axis. No. If it is y equal to 0, y coordinate is 0 on x axis. So y equal to 0 is the equation of x axis. So we know in this transformation, if a point is x comma y, so x coordinate remains same, y coordinate will change its sign. So minus 3 comma 0 will remain minus 3 comma 0 since the point is on x axis. So any point on x axis is invariant point under reflection in x axis. Then 8 comma minus 5 will become minus 8 comma minus 5. It will become what? Minus 8 comma minus 5. And minus 1 comma minus 3 will become, change the x, change, oh, sorry, I have written it wrong over here. 8 comma minus 5 will become, देखो, x coordinate will remain same, y coordinate will change the sign, so 8 comma 5, and it will become minus 1 comma 3. So you can visualize 8 comma minus 5, 8 comma minus 5 is in the fourth quadrant, so reflection under x axis will shift it to first quadrant, so 8 comma 5. तो हल्का सा visualize करोगे, just imagine the quadrant, look at the reflection surface, and you will be able to see कि हाँ which quadrant it is moving to. Minus 1 comma minus 3 is in the third quadrant, so it will move to the second quadrant upwards, right? So it will become minus 1 comma 3. So this is how the reflection under x and y axis will be done. Okay, now before I move ahead, whatever I would like to tell you all, that whatever problems you are facing till now, anywhere, wherever you are studying, is solved by Vedantu, because now for your doubts there will be a dedicated teacher in each and every session to take care of your doubts. Notes and assignments will be provided for each and every class you will attend at Vedantu, so that you can also do the self-study even after the class. Test will be taken care of in a regular interval of time, that too on your examination pattern. Okay, competitive examinations like NTSE, KVPY, Olympiad, no need to go anywhere else, just study at Vedantu, everything will be there. Schedule, that is, suppose if you miss your class because of some reason, so no need to say walk behind the teacher ki sir please explain this, please explain this. You will always have the recording of the class, just watch the recording and done, right? Then choice of language, that is Hindi or English. Other than that, you will be getting unlimited live classes. All micro and crash courses are free of cost to you. So micro courses are chapter specific courses. So whatever chapter you want to study, again you want to revise whatever chapter you want to revise, or whatever chapter is you think is more important, you want to learn it before, whatever you want, any chapter you can learn, any chapter of your own choice, wherever you are interested. So it gives you a power to design your own curriculum and crash course, that is your revision courses, performance reports, and personalized attention to everyone. Okay, so the link to register for Vedantu subscription is vdnt.in/ytpro. After going there, apply this coupon code GPEPRO, GPEPRO, and this will give you 15% off, flat 15% off, flat 15% off. ठीक है बेटा, चलो अब देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. आई विल टेल यू मोर अबाउट द कोर्स डिटेल्स. तो ये क्वेश्चन देखो, ट्राइंगल ABC, the triangle ABC where A is 2,6, B is -3, -5 and C is 4,7 is reflected in the y-axis, to triangle A-B-C'. Triangle A-B-C' is then reflected in the origin to triangle A-B'-C'. Write down the coordinates of A'-B'-C'. ठीक है. So we don't need the coordinate axis, we can directly do it, है ना. We don't need the coordinate axis, so we can directly do it. So first thing beta, we know we are doing the reflection under y-axis. We are doing the reflection under y-axis. ठीक है. तो पहले A का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखते हैं. A to A' क्या होगा, and what will be A'. ठीक है, A', और चलो let us write it for A, B and C in this way. Let's say it is A, B and C, we know here. ठीक है. So what is A beta? A is 2,6, B is -3,5 and C is 4,7. Right? The first reflection is along y-axis पे. तो reflection along y-axis, so we will be getting A', B', C'. Okay, so whenever I do the reflection along y-axis, so you know when we do the reflection along y-axis, what happens? If a point is x, y coordinate will remain same, only x coordinate will change the sign. Correct? So y coordinate should remain same, x coordinate change the sign. So it will become -2,6, it will become 3,5 and it will become -4,7. You can also visualize, suppose 2,6 will be somewhere over here. Along y-axis, this will be the point. So देख लो -2,6, same point here. है ना? So if it is A, it will be your A'. So first reflection is this. Then the second reflection is A', B', C'. Okay, so A', B', C'. A', what is that? Then is reflected in the origin. So this A', B', C' has been reflected in the origin. So when we do the reflection under origin, both x and y change their sign. So A', will be 2,-6. B' will be -3, -5 and C', will be 4, -7. Whatever were the coordinates of A', we have changed both the x and y coordinate. ठीक है, we have got all the coordinates. So write down the coordinates of A', B', C'. So 2, -6, -3, -5, 4, -7. Okay, 2, -6. Then what else is there? Sorry, where is this? Not this one. Here. 2, -6. Oh. So coordinates of A are 2, -6, A', for B -3, -5, 4, -7. ठीक है, 2, -6, -3, -5, 4, -7. अब सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ना बेटा. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन सेज राइट डाउन अ सिंगल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन that maps triangle ABC onto triangle A', B', C'. That means कि देखो what we have done here कि पहले तो अपन ने किया यहाँ पे reflection under y-axis and then we have done the reflection under origin. Right? Correct. The question is asking कि what reflection I should do so that directly I get A to A', B to B double dash, C to C double dash. तो यहाँ पे देखो A is 2,6 and A double dash is 2, minus 6. So the x coordinate is same here also, minus 3, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 4, 7, 4, minus 7. So you can clearly see x coordinate of A and A double dash, B and B double dash, C double dash, C and C double dash is same. And y coordinate is changing the sign. 6 to minus 6, 5 to minus 5, 7 to minus 7. So when x coordinate remains same, y coordinate changes the sign. So I can say it is like reflection under x axis. So it means कि single transformation means from A to A double dash, how I can go with a single reflection. So single reflection is do the reflection under x axis. So the single reflection will be reflected in x axis. So bus you just have to observe the points and you have to see that which reflection will be the best for it. Okay, chalo next question देखो. Attempt this question on graph paper. Okay, graph paper is here. Plot A 3,2, B 5,4 on a graph paper. Take 2 centimeter equal to 1 meter on both the axes. ठीक है, I have already taken it, so I will just plot the points. A is 3,2, so x coordinate A, y coordinate 2, so point A is over here. B is 5,4, so x coordinate 4, y coordinate x coordinate y coordinate 4, so this is your point B. ठीक है, then they are saying reflect A and B in x axis to A dash B dash. So under x axis if I'll do beta, so A will come somewhere over here, A dash यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, and B distance at 4, so here it will come at minus 4. So this will become B dash. So A is your 3,2, B is your 5,4. Since we are doing the reflection under x axis, the x coordinate will remain same, y coordinate will change, so 3, minus 2, and B dash is 5, minus 4. Then reflect, okay, reflection done. Plot these points also on the same graph paper plotted. Write down the geometrical name of the figure. तो geometrical name of the figure बेटा क्या होगा? देखो, you can clearly see it is following a trapezium. So what is the figure name? Trapezium. ठीक है, measure the angle ABB dash, ABB dash, this angle. तो one thing you can measure it also. दूसरा part क्या है बेटा कि चलो if I make this image big, तो you will see here this distance is 2. देखो, if it is 4, if it is 2, this distance is 2 units. And here if it is 3, if it is 5, so if this distance is 2 units, this is also 2 units, right? 2 units है. So you can look at this triangle, it is 90 degree and this is 2 units, this is also 2 units, so it is an isosceles triangle, so this angle will be 45 degree, this angle is also 45 degree. So what will be the angle ABB dash? 45 degree. The image of A double dash of A when A is reflected in the origin. So if I reflect this A under origin, if I reflect this A under origin, so 3, 2 will become minus 3, minus 2. So this will be the reflection under origin. So this is your A double dash. It is what? Minus 3, minus 2. Both the coordinates will change the sign. Minus 3, minus 2. The single transformation that maps A dash to A double dash. So देखो यार, A dash is your 3, minus 2. A double dash is your minus 3, minus 2. So देखो, you will see कि sir in both the part y coordinate is same and x coordinate is changing the sign. So this can directly be done if I do the reflection under y axis. So what transformation, what reflection I should do so that A dash will be becoming A double dash. So reflection under y axis. So reflection under y axis. ठीक है बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो भाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? Point 3, 0 and minus 1, 0 are invariant points under reflection in the line L1. So 3, 0 and minus 1, 0 both are present on x-axis. And if a point is present on x-axis, when it will be invariant? If we are doing the reflection under x-axis. So reflection under line L1, That means L1 represents your x-axis. L1 represents your x-axis, right? Because 3, 0 and minus 1, 0 will be invariant if the reflection is under x-axis, because all the points on x-axis are invariant when we are doing the reflection under x-axis. Similarly, points 0, minus 3 and 0, 1 are invariant points on the reflection in line L2. So these two, 0, minus 3 and 0, 1 are the points on y-axis. So reflection under y-axis makes all the points on y-axis invariant points. So L2 is y-axis. Okay, so name or write the equation for L1, L2. Naming is this. Equation is y equal to 0 for x-axis, x equal to 0 for y-axis. Equations. Write down the images of point P and Q on reflection in L1. मतलब simple part है बेटा. P का reflection P dash under L1 means x-axis. So 3, 4. When we do the reflection under x-axis, x coordinate remains same, y coordinate will change the sign. Similarly, Q, which is minus 5, minus 2, its reflection under x-axis will be Q dash, x coordinate will remain same, y coordinate will change the sign. Okay? Write down the images of P and Q in the reflection L2. So now we are doing reflection under y-axis. So P is 3, 4 under y-axis. So these were under x-axis. Under y-axis P double dash, it will become y coordinate will remain same, x coordinate will change the sign. Q will become minus 5, minus 2 under y-axis reflection Q double dash, x coordinate will change the sign, y coordinate will remain same. ठीक है? State or describe a single point transformation, single transformation that maps P dash to P double dash. So P dash to P double dash, how can I go? P dash is 3, minus 4. P double dash is minus 3, 4. So you can see x coordinate is changing the sign as well as y coordinate is also changing the sign. So the reflection is under origin. So the reflection is under origin. As simple as that. So the questions are very easy. If you will see, the questions are very easy. ठीक है बेटा? चलो next part देखते हैं. So this is your question. Now I am giving you this question as your homework. This question will be your homework question. Try to solve this question. Let me know how many of you can give me the answer. Please let me know the answer for this homework question in the comment section. ठीक है बेटा? So I'll wait for your answers. Okay, chalo. So as I was telling you at the earlier, to register for this Vedantu subscription course, this is the link. Okay, once you go to this link, you need to select your grade 10th, ICSE 2021. Okay, click on get subscription. After that, here you will have a coupon code, and here they will ask you to choose from 1 month, 3 month or 6 months. Any package you choose, apply the coupon code GPE Pro. Once you apply this coupon code, you will get 15% off everywhere, in 1 month also, in 3 months also, and in 6 months also. But the important thing is, if you see, for 6 months the price is 9774. So if you divide this 9774 by 6 months, your price is around 1600 something. Okay, and if you take the course for 1 month, the price after 1 month is 2294. Right, so you can clearly see it is more beneficial for you if you take the course for more number of months. So the price per month reduces. Also, you will be with us for a longer period of time. So obviously your preparation will be in more detail, much depth you will be getting it. Okay, beta? So just don't forget vdnt.in/ytpro and the coupon code is GPE Pro. Okay, so this is all in this topic. Very easy topic. I hope all of you have understood it. Just visualize it. You will get it. Every time you will get it. So even if you forget ki array are under x-axis, what becomes constant, which one will change the sign, just visualize any point, you will get your result. So visualization is very important for this topic. Got it? So if you have liked this session, please don't forget to like this video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.